back to Mish and Christine buy an old French house, the Renovation Adventure. Let's take a look and see what's going on this week. There's Mish, busy preparing the space for a new wall for the master bedroom and master bath. Let's take a look and see what he's doing. Let's look back at how we got to where we are today. We're looking at the master bath on the other side of the master room. And today, it was cleared away so that we can build a new wall. Let's go back up the stairs and take a tour of what it looked like before, so you can get an idea of why we had to take out that wall, which has taken us a bit of time. There's the stairs, the old staircase, all made of stone and part of the old fort in Peloton. And there we go. There's a lot of people who are wondering about the bathroom under the stairs, or the toilet under the stairs. There it is, right in its original condition. And straight ahead is the master bath. And we took a turn into the master room. And there the ceiling is warped, as you could see. So going back through that door and into the master bath, you're going to see all of the toiletries that were there beforehand that Mish tore out before I got to France. So it was a sort of functioning bathroom, sort of not. It was from the 1960s, and behind that toilet there's the stairs up into the attic, which we are going to redesign. And that wall that you see to the left, it's coming down real fast. Well, I'm not quite sure how fast. We started the setup before I got there. We knew exactly what to do, setting up the lifts that would hold the ceiling where it is bowed and sinking because of the weight in the walls. They happen to have brick. You'll see that in our demolition. There, Misha's filming some of the demolition that's going on prior to me getting there. And he's actually voicing some of this, but he didn't realize that he wasn't really voicing it. New camera, new tech. Dare I say, old guy? Wow, that was weird. Time to break that wall down. Christine's here, ready to work. That used to be a door. No? All ready, and time to make sure that we get the beams in. We've got scaffolding. We're putting that together now. The beams are going in, and soon it will be ready for a wall and a new toilet and bathroom. Can't wait. Stay tuned. What was your question?
Où est la bibliothèque?
Où est la bibliothèque?
That's what I said. Où est la bibliothèque?
Et là?
Non. C'est magnifique. If you enjoy our videos, please like and subscribe so we can feed the cat.
Croissant would like it if you subscribe. If you like more cat videos, let us know. If you have questions, let us know. We're here for you. See you next time.